What is up, guys? Blue Moon Mining here, and I don't know if many people know this, but the website and the business are open. Um, right now, I don't really have a specific page that you guys can place orders on, but you guys can go over here to the contact page and then just put your name, your email, and then send the message basically telling how many miners you have, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I'm still working on the website and I'm still working on the pricing. Pricing will be coming out soon. Give it about a week or so for me to figure it all out. But yeah, so if you guys want to check out the website, it will be linked down in the description below. But yes, I am taking orders as of now. If you guys want to check out anything, if you guys want to check out the website, and if you guys have if anyone wants to place orders, just go ahead and place them, and I'll let you know pricing as soon as I get it and when everything is ready to go. So just letting you guys know that in case anyone wants to uh, get like their orders in soon, because first come first serve, you know what it is. I'll have you guys written down on a list to make sure who gets their stuff done first. So um, go ahead and place an order if you want to. Um, so yeah, just leave your name, email, and a message of how many miners, what kind of miners they are, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. It goes directly to my bluemoonmining@gmail.com, which is my business email. So anyone who needs any ASIC miners cleaned, those are the only thing we're doing right now. If you read into the about section, it will go more into detail, but we aren't doing any repairs or GPUs quite yet. So just stay tuned. I'm still working on it. I'm just saying where, because just saying it as a company. So I'm still working on all that stuff. So just stay tuned, guys. But yeah, and I also have affiliate links. Sorry if I seem kind of stressed out. I just having a rough day. Had to leave work early and possibly putting in my 2 weeks tomorrow just because I honestly can't do this job anymore. So it's really stressing me out. It's pushing me over the edge, and I just need to get out of it. So I may do uploads a lot earlier while I'm in the process of looking for a new job. But yeah, I gotta get out of it. So that's also why I'm talking about the business now, and getting pricing done as soon as possible so I can start getting more orders and start working. So I don't care if you guys have large orders or not. Um, Small orders, I'll have pricing done. I'll have bulk discounts and all sorts of other stuff. So just stay tuned. But yeah, so the market's looking all right. Bitcoin's in the green, Ethereum's in the red. Ethereum's going to proof of stake here soon, so don't know how much longer we got. May have a few days, 2 or 3 days, I believe, but we'll find out. Wow, apparently Ethereum POW is listed on here now. That's funny. I don't really know. I don't know if this is legit or not, so I wouldn't really go into that too much. So my cat is just all over the place right now. I'm sorry if you guys can hear him. Um, at least he's here. He's de-stressing me a little bit from today. So maybe I'll just end up taking the rest of the week off. Or I know I'm gonna write my 2 week letter tonight. So, but yeah, that's enough about me and quitting a job. But so far, Ergo, I've gotten 2 Ergo paid out. I'm still continuing to mine Ergo just because it's more efficient for me. I also did place my order for my iPolo SE, so that should be here eventually. Haven't found a Bitcoin block. I really wish I would, because it would really help out in the situation of what I'm in right now. But yeah, so let's see here. Profitability, it looks like Cero is really up there. It's a little bit higher. I don't know if it's going to stay that way, but anyone who's still mining Ethereum, I don't know how many people are. Looks like the network hash rate has it. really changed much since yesterday. It's at 871, so whoops. But yeah, you're making $1.07 if you're still mining Ethereum. Conceal is surprisingly up here at 73 cents. I'm seeing a lot of um, like Flux Ergo and Ethereum Classic and stuff is really low. And for anyone who doesn't understand why it's this low, it's because, well, there's a lot of people moving over to these algorithms to mine these coins, and it's really affecting how much payout you're getting. Because these algorithms or these specific coins haven't had this much of a hash rate increase, and they're struggling to keep up. So of course we're going to see not very profitable coins for a little while after the merge, but other than that, you're not going to see much profitability, but you just have to stick it out if you can. If you can't, you're probably going to have to sell a lot of your stuff. We'll just have to see how it is in the next few days as the merge takes place. And yeah, of course, everyone should know my plan. I'm disconnecting the rig, cleaning it up, and then putting it back on about after a week. And then I'm going to continue to leave my mini ASICs running if they're here in time. But right now all I have is my Bitcoin miner, so that'll be the only one running. But yeah, so hopefully I get my other miners here soon. I have one on the way. I just placed the order for the iPolo, and I am getting another one. So, but on a 6700 XT, looks like we have 82 cents a day if you're still mining Ethereum. And Ravencoin and Yax are probably the second best. I'm not sure if Cero's just had a price increase and it's just up there or not, but Ravencoin and Yax are getting 51 cents each a day if you're mining those, because, you know, let's be honest, AMD cards are a lot better on POW than any NVIDIA card ever will be. So going over here to CoinMarketCap, we're seeing a good price increase on Bitcoin. As soon as Bitcoin goes up, I guess everything else starts to go up. Ah, what is that fucking cat doing? I'm sorry, this cat. Anoki! Get the hell out of there. This cat's driving me nuts right now. But yeah, so Bitcoin's up. Hopefully that will reflect on the rest of the market. I'm not 100% sure though. Ravencoin's up at 6 cents and it continues to go up, so Ravencoin's having a nice price increase for anyone who's mining it. Flux over here, $1.21, actually been going down sadly, which doesn't help at the current moment in time. We'll see how the prices of all these coins look like after the merge though. In a few days I will be posting probably later tonight. But yeah, so I'm pretty sure Neox is still over a cent. Yeah, it's over a cent still. 1.1 cents. But yeah. Other than that, Ethereum's kind of doing its own thing in price. Not nearly as much as Bitcoin is. For anyone mining Dogecoin, because you can still mine Dogecoin. You're getting 6 cents still a day. Nothing too crazy. Ethereum Classic, though, it's been taking a beating in the past 7 days. Down almost 5%. So... And then Litecoin, on the other hand, is up a little bit, but not too much. Why are you yelling at? Fight me, you little shit. But yeah, so that's pretty much everything going on right now. Well, life's kind of in a crazy state right now, but I'm not going to stop uploading. I'm going to continue to upload videos and get you guys the best content I can. I may be home here in the next 2 weeks after my 2 weeks expire at my job. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to find a new job or not. Sadly, I'm going to have to file for unemployment in my state until I can find a job, but don't worry about me. I'll be able to pay my bills with that and while I look for a new job. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't feel bad for me. It's just how life goes, so kind of how the cookie crumbles. Just have to deal with some downfalls in your life every now and then. Things will always get better. So I'm not going to stop YouTube yet. Not at all, actually. I hope to have this YouTube channel running for a while, but I'll let you guys know when I find a new job eventually. Hopefully it's something I can work around the schedule I have now. And I hope my business, hope I have some buyers here in the next few days as I get pricing situated. So yeah, of course, go to the website. It'll be down in the description below for anyone who wants to place an order. So have a good one. Peace out.